channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cook breakfast. So, I use these pots and pans, these are for the eggs and also bacon. This pot can be used for some of the bacon and eggs too. So, I also am going to use the mini cooking set. I put the cake right here. Today I'm also going to show you how I cook breakfast here. Right here. You can open this and close it. And you can open this like that. And then when you cook it, do the number and then press the green button. If you press the red button, it stops. So, we're actually going to also use the microwave. And we're going to use it with this. This is also where I can cook the bacon, including just click the button like this, and then the green light will show up without battery. So we're just going to pretend. I will put it here. I'll put it here with the mini cooking set. But actually I'm going to put it here, right here. Now, let's get started with cooking. And I'm also going to use this when you turn it. It makes a sound like cooking sounds, or like maybe washing dishes sounds. Like washing dishes sounds like that. That's cutting when I chop the food. That's off button, the little tiny one. That makes it out of control. So let's get started with our breakfast making. So first I put a bit of oil in the pan. In the other pan. Then I'm going to start cooking my food. I'll get the bacon from this pink. And I'll get these 3 eggs from the plates. Eggs go here. Bacon goes here. And last but not least, let's get my tweezers. You're supposed to use the bacon with it too. And I'm also going to put the sausages in the other pan. And cook. You just have to certainly cook it like that. Put it as the big button. And then you start doing this. Finished cooking. These two are gonna have to go over here, and I'm gonna put them back in their plate, like this plate. And let's get started with the eggs. Done cooking. Now I'm gonna take this little egg and put it on this frozen plate that looks like this. Now I'll put the egg and it looks like this. Now I'll get the 2 plates right here, pink and purple. So maybe spatula. Okay. Put it on like this. Except you don't put it on like that with your hand. And then here we go. And then use it carefully on the big guy because it'll just drop. And then voila! All brand new eggs. This is also for cutting vegetables right here. Because it is a slice where you cut stuff. Like these in the basket. This carrot only and not this macaroon. It is for dessert. Dessert means that it's in the next video. Dessert is in the next video. So, I'll put the carrot here and then I'm gonna get the knife. Which one should I pick? Instead of using the purple one that has black too, I'm actually going to use the plain, normal, gray one. Cut, 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 cut. Ah, rolls off. That's okay. Just try again. If it rolls off, that's okay. Just try again. And if you have an accident and it closes, it's okay. You try again. Like I said. Try again, like I said. There. Now, when you finish cutting it, pretendly, you get to choose a plate to put it on. So, let me walk over here and choose a plate. This one. And at the bottom of this plate, there's some things you can make. Even like gummy worms, spaghetti, beans, or a slice of orange, too. Or maybe you can name all the colors, and then maybe you can decide what you want to make. First, you have to put some Play-Doh inside it.
You can make a pizza in there.
And you can also make a mushroom.
You want to make your pizza now while waiting?
So, I'll put it right here with the sausage and some bacon. And then I'll put this egg right here with the carrot and the sausage and bacon. And then I'm gonna get the blue plate and put it right here. And I'm gonna get the pink plate and put it right here. Make some room. And there.
You want to make a pizza right now?
Didn't focus with my smile. Didn't even focus with my smile. Okay. So, now I'm gonna cook some bacon. Today, I've already showed you how I cook some stuff. And now I'm gonna show you how I cook some pizza. So, let me just see where the pizza is.
Behind you, baby.
Oh. Then I'll get the 3 pizzas, but I lost the olive pizza. So, let's just leave that one alone. So, now, let me
Behind you.
put the pizzas right here. I lost the olive pizza, and that's okay. Let's just pretend. Alright.
cook there, or are you gonna cook the one beside you on your right? I mean your left.
Okay, done cooking. I had to make the sounds because it wasn't really working, so I had to make the cooking sounds instead. It sounds.
Put them in the
pizzas
pan.
together pretending like this, and then when I put the pizzas like that, I'm gonna look for the pizza roller. I found my pizza roller right here. Find my pizza cutter, and then I'm gonna go right here. I'm actually gonna make some noise, which means I'm gonna have to put on my math book. And then when I put on my math book, I'm gonna cut it like this. Ta-da! They're all spread it out. Let's try that again. This time will count how many times you have to do it. 1, 2. You have to do it 2 times. But if there's more pizzas, you have to do it more times. Like if I found the olive pizza, you have to do it 3 times. If I found more pizzas, maybe you would have to find out for yourself. So, you can also cut the pizzas in a different way. Like so, when I do this, I'll put it back in the plate. Take the plate, put the stuff in order, and here we go, and here we go, and here we go. Ew, let me get something. This yummy dessert strawberry cake goes over here too. So, that was all for the breakfast making today. So, I have one more thing to do. Then, I'll cook the bun in the pan in this little waffle. The bun and the waffle. So, then I look for a plate. Like maybe I can choose one from here then. And one more vegetable cut after that, and then we'll leave. So, I already have known the plate already. Bun goes here, waffle goes here. And I'm gonna put it right here. So, then I'm going to leave in a few. So, if you want to cut this, you have to do it very short. Like, cut, cut, cut. Let's do it again. Let's do that again. Cut, cut, cut. It goes like cut, cut, cut. So, that's all for today. I'll see you on the next